Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing there's Gia. We'll be doing an experiment. So here I have a crystal powder, and this is balsamic vinegar, water, and vinegar. So I'll be putting this, but every single time I'll put a little bit of baking soda in it. So I'm gonna first put a bit in there. Put that in. Put baking soda. Oh, it's foaming! Oh, that's so cool! Gia, it's foaming.
Oh my god.
Wait, I'm gonna get it mixing. We're gonna use this to mix. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. What happens if I put more? Whoa! It's literally turned into foam. Oh my gosh. Well, that's cool.
Oh, that's so cool.
It's literally foam. So that's cool. I'm gonna wipe this off. Okay. Time for the water. I honestly don't think anything's gonna happen for the water, but let's see.
What if the same thing happens with the, it's just water, but with the surface?
It's foaming here. Ooh. Oh, that's really foaming bad. Oh my gosh. That is so crazy. Listen to that. It's like smoking kinda. It was smoking. Oh my gosh, I didn't even pay attention to this.
What?
Look.
Oh my god.
It just foamed up there. Oh my gosh.
Is that baking soda?
Yeah, baking soda and the crystal powder.
And what are you doing now, water?
Yeah, so nothing really happened. It just fizzled a lot. So now vinegar. Okay, we're plopping some in the vinegar. Okay. Now for the baking soda. Ooh. Okay, so that's foaming up a lot. Wait. Wow, look, the vinegar foamed up. I'm gonna get more balsamic. Okay guys, so we have more balsamic. Oh, vinegar spiked up a lot.
Wait, Elliot, can I clean up later?
Mm-hmm.
I can't, so can I hang up?
Yeah.
I'll watch the video.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Whoa! Oh my gosh, wait. I think it's gonna spill. Oh no. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, 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 please. Okay. Oh my gosh. That is, oh. What happens if I mix that? Oh. Oh, that is so bad. Wait. Okay, we're gonna try to. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. This just like exploded everywhere. Listen to that ASMR. Oh no. Spilt. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. It smells balsamic-y. My money don't jiggle jiggle. This oh my gosh. That is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Please don't drip. Well, I already dripped a lot. Okay guys, so I think this is the end of the video. I'm not too sure. Hopefully. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. So thank you guys for watching. Bye guys, and make sure you subscribe and leave a like on the video if you like the video. Leave that notification bell too to get updated on our new videos. Bye guys. Peace out.